Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Kia Optima, stock number 6341. It's ran from the 9th 2015 to the 1st 2020. It has a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid 1 dent in the top, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 2 creases, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light and sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,